Fortador 2020 Pro S Electra high-pressure washer and steam cleaner combo is the only electric device on the market combining functions previously available in separate machines. High performance reaches the maximum steam pressure up to 16 bar or 232 psi, and the pressure of jet water washer 160 bar or 2320 psi. Fortador PRO S Electra has the ability to wash vehicles, facades, machinery from outside and inside by 3 operators at the same time. Thanks to this, it provides amazing time savings, high efficiency, and 100% satisfaction with the work done on it. Detergent and water tanks are built-in, so mobile operation is just available like stationary one with water direct connection. Modern design, the highest quality workmanship while maintaining maximum product quality using corrosion-resistant aluminum, all encased in one reliable metal housing. The product delivers extraordinary recognition by competitors and clients. The machine does not generate water and chemical waste. It also does not require any permits or water waste infrastructure. The model most often was chosen by mobile car washes, car workshops, cleaning companies, and construction companies. Modern design and the highest quality components guarantee the position of leader in the industry. Our dealerships are located in Montreal, Miami, Dubai, Pretoria, Hong Kong, and Bangkok. Machines are built in accordance with CE norms and standards. Lamborghini Carroclima, TOV Nord, Florida AS, UL Canada US.